Hey Glam Squad, welcome to another video. So I was sent these lashes from Hummingbird Kiss lash line. When I tell you ladies, this is the most luxurious mink lash line, I mean it. So we're gonna get into all of the details, so let's stay tuned. So let's get right into this unboxing. The Hummingbird Kiss lash line. She just came out with two new products, which is the lash glue that's on a felt tip pen, and also a black liquid liner that dries down matte and is smudge proof. I tried it, ladies. So you already know one is going into my kit and one is going into my personal bag. Y'all know I am a stickler for packaging. When I tell you this packaging scream Caribbean, I meant, and beautiful, I meant that. She did that on the packaging. Look at the packaging, and each lash came individually in a box. Ladies, I have a surprise for you. Stay till the end of this video. Look how beautiful this lash is and how full. I wanted to point out the lash line. When I tell you that is the thin lash line, I've used these lashes before and I love it. So thank you for sending it over for review. This is a luxurious lash line. So this is one of the they have the Empress, Carnival Diva, Sea Breeze, Boss Lady come through, Tobago Love, Coconut Laced, Hummingbird Kiss, Island Glow, Soca Charm, Calypso Queen, and this is the stock card. So these are the two new adhesives that she has came out with. Actually, one is a liner, one is the lash adhesive glue on a felt tip pen. And this is the box that they all came in after I unwrapped them individually out of the clear wrap. I just want to keep the boxes. I just want to keep the boxes. Like, you can literally use your lashes, store them back into these boxes because the box is cute. The box is cute, very travel friendly, you know, TSA friendly. So now I have a giveaway. All you have to do is follow my page and type in Soca, and that's it, ladies. That's it. Good luck.